Petersen. I want to tell you today about everything you ever wanted to know about the Chebe powder. What is Chebe? So Chebe is an ancient hair care recipe from Chad that helps to keep hair long over time. So those are, for example, pictures of women here at my office here who use Chebe, and you can see the application as they do it. So they have really long hair, as you can see. Question number 2, which part of a tree is used? So the part of the tree that's used in the Chebe recipe is this. So those are the little grains, and they are really croton seeds that I used in the recipe. So question number 3, what is the scientific name of Chebe? So the old scientific name is croton zambezicus. The new quote-unquote scientific name, at least that you find in the scientific literature, is croton gratissimus. There is another variety called lavender croton that is found mostly in Southern Africa, and that's much more pungent in terms of fragrance. It's actually used as a fragrance, interesting enough. Question number 4, where do you find the Chebe tree? So then in Chad, of course, in the immediate region. You also find it in the Bahr al-Ghazal and also in the eastern part of the country, in the Gera region, and further south in the Salamat region. You find it also in West Africa, most notably in Benin, in Nigeria, in parts of Niger, in Mali as well, and in Sierra Leone. So, and in Southern Africa, you find it in Namibia, in South Africa, and I believe part of Botswana as well. What does the tree look like? So my team and I have traveled a lot, and we have collected some pictures. So what does it look like? It's an arbust. It's 2.5 meter high about. It grows in the bush, the African bush. Here you could see it's quite bushy. It has lots of green leaves, and that's here in full bloom what it looks like in the time when you go and pick up the grains. Can you give us a closer look of the croton seed? Yes, of course, I'll give you a closer look. Here again, and more also on my hands, and that's how it looks like. And you can see the grains are quite small. I have fairly small hands, but still they're like really tiny little grains. How do you pronounce Chebe? So Chebe is pronounced Chebe.
Chebe.
I have heard people online saying Chebe. It's not Chebe. It's not Chebe. It's not Chebe. It's Chebe. So yeah, that's how you pronounce Chebe. Are there any other names of Chebe in Chad? Yes, there are. So one of them is Chebe, so Chebe, and the other one is Chebe, especially actually interesting enough with the northern part. So Chebe, Chebe, all is the same thing, and but the most commonly used name is definitely Chebe. Next one. What are the names in other parts of Africa? So I have here found a collection of names in other parts of Africa. I promise you, I really worked hard to make sure that I don't misspell and tell the names as they are. I practiced, so maybe I didn't get it right. So if you're from any of those cultures, let me know if I pronounce it right, and shout out. I want you to say hi to us. So in Sierra Leone, in the Creole language, Creole, it's called Aje Ofanya. In Mandingue, it's called Mandika Kuru Tinjengo. Yeah. In Mali, in Songhai, it's called Tonendi Bonai. In Hausa, that is spoken in Burkina Faso, in Benin, and Niger, Nigeria, and a lot of countries, and also in Chad, actually, in Western Central Africa, it's called Koriba. And it's also called, actually, Isen Masar, which literally means Egyptian wood tree. so that's in Hausa. In Benin, in the Fon language, that I speak a bit of Fon, so if you're from Benin, say hi. It's where I actually grew up. It's called Jele. And in Yoruba, it's called Ajekofole. So in both Yoruba and Yoruba is spoken in Benin, but it's also spoken in Nigeria. So and say hi. I speak a few words of Yoruba also, from my childhood. And in Kanuri, that's spoken in Nigeria and in Chad, it's called Moromoro. So those are the name in different languages. You have, of course, the subtitles on the video, but I'm also going to put it in the description of my video so you can have easy access to it. It's really interesting. In Yoruba, it actually means witches don't dare to preach. So it's really allude to deterring sorcery. Which leads me to my next video. So if you want to know more, check the next video in this series about everything you ever wanted to know about Chebe. Be sure to leave me a comment if you have any question or any other thing you want to share with me, or shoot me an email. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications so you will know as soon as I upload new information and video about Chebe or something else. I have also an Instagram page, a Facebook fan page, and Pinterest board, Twitter account, so please link there with me so we can continue the conversation in different social media as well. So I will see you soon, take care and all the best.